For many small business owners and freelancers, the act of invoicing clients can feel like half the battle. Crafting professional-looking invoices, accurately tracking time and expenses, and sending them out in a timely manner are essential. But what about the other half, getting paid? As an accounting software expert, I can confidently say that the ability to accept payments directly through your invoicing software is not just a convenience. It's a game changer for cash flow and efficiency. And when it comes to FreshBooks, the answer to, can you pay invoices through FreshBooks? Is a resounding yes. Absolutely. FreshBooks is renowned for its user-friendly invoicing features, but its strength extends far beyond just creating bills. It's built with the entire payment cycle in mind, empowering your clients to pay their invoices quickly and conveniently, and subsequently helping you receive your hard-earned money faster. Let's break down how FreshBooks facilitates invoice payments and why this functionality is so crucial for modern businesses. The power of integrated payments. At its core, FreshBooks integrates payment processing directly into the invoicing experience. When you create an invoice in FreshBooks, you can enable various online payment options. This means that when your client receives the invoice, typically via email, they'll see a clear Pay Now button or link. With a few clicks, they can securely submit their payment without ever leaving the FreshBooks environment or being redirected to a separate, unfamiliar payment portal. This streamlined process dramatically reduces friction and encourages prompt payment. Multiple payment options for your clients. One of the key strengths of FreshBooks' payment capabilities is the flexibility it offers to your clients. Nobody likes to be forced into a single payment method. FreshBooks understands this and typically supports a range of popular payment options, including credit and debit cards. This is arguably the most common and convenient method for online payments. FreshBooks integrates with payment gateways like Stripe and often offers its own FreshBooks Payments, which is powered by Stripe, to securely process major credit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and more. Bank transfers, ACH for larger sums or for clients who prefer direct bank transfers. FreshBooks facilitates automated clearinghouse, ACH, payments, primarily for clients in the US. These are secure and often have lower transaction fees compared to credit cards. PayPal, as a widely recognized and trusted online payment platform, PayPal integration allows clients to pay using their PayPal balance or linked bank accounts/credit cards. Apple Pay and Google Pay. For clients using mobile devices, the convenience of Apple Pay and Google Pay offers a quick and seamless checkout experience, further reducing the effort required to pay. By offering these diverse payment methods, FreshBooks caters to a broader client base and removes any barriers that might delay payment due to inconvenient options. How it works. A simple workflow for both sides. For you, the business owner, create your invoice. You design your professional invoice within FreshBooks, adding line items, taxes, and any necessary details. Enable online payments. With a simple toggle or setting, you activate the desired online payment options for that specific invoice. Send the invoice. You email the invoice directly from FreshBooks to your client. Receive payment notifications. Once your client pays, FreshBooks automatically records the payment, updates the invoice status to paid, and sends you a notification. The funds are then typically deposited into your linked bank account within a few business days, depending on the payment gateway and your bank. For your client, receive the invoice. They get an email with a link to view their invoice online. Click Pay Now. Upon viewing the invoice, they see the online payment options you've enabled. Choose their preferred method. They select credit card, bank transfer, PayPal, or another available option. Enter details securely. They input their payment information into a secure form powered by FreshBooks integrated payment processors. Confirm payment. With a final click, the payment is processed. They receive an instant confirmation and often a digital receipt. Beyond basic payments, enhancing cash flow. FreshBooks goes beyond just enabling one-time invoice payments. It provides features that significantly improve your cash flow and reduce the effort of collections. Recurring payments and auto-billing. For subscription-based services or ongoing client relationships, you can set up recurring invoices that automatically bill your clients. If you've enabled saved payment information with your client's consent, FreshBooks can even automatically charge their credit card or bank account, ensuring you get paid without any manual intervention. Payment reminders. FreshBooks allows you to set up automated late payment reminders. If an invoice is nearing or past its due date, the system can automatically send polite reminders to your client, saving you the awkwardness and time of chasing payments manually. Deposits and partial payments. You can request a deposit on an invoice upfront to secure work. Additionally, FreshBooks can be configured to allow clients to make partial payments, which can be helpful for large projects or clients who prefer to pay in installments. Automated reconciliation. Because payments are processed directly through FreshBooks, they are automatically matched to the corresponding invoices. This eliminates manual reconciliation, saving you significant time and reducing the risk of errors in your accounting records.